I love what you were saying too about the brain, because that's like, obviously, like, it's helped me with headaches. It's helped with my sternum. It's helped with my legs. It's helped Valerie with I think her hips and her neck. But one of my favorite things is when you adjust my neck towards the end. Like it's that little, was it the atlas at the top, that little bone? Mm-hmm. Like I can just feel that kind of like sliding more into place, and I just feel clear and connected. Like it's like if you're like rubbing like a sore muscle, and all of a sudden blood flow starts releasing. I just feel that in my head, and it's like, okay, I feel like I'm in a better state leaving than when I first arrived.
I'd love to tell you a story about this.
Let's do this.